Oh, this is easy. Just bumpy. Sucks because you need speed for this stuff. Careful though, cars. Oh, that is... Oh. And he did it. We're not annoying her, are we? No, no. Henry Jew. Off we go. I planted the front wheel. I didn't come on. No, the sand here. First gear? Well, that's your bike. Didn't make it. Have to start and try again. Oh. Yeah, I was trying to be cute, I think. I think I had to be in second gear as well. Second gear? These bikes must bloody hate us by now. That was decent.
That was freaking awesome.
I'm surprised. It's a bit boggy, is it? Yeah, okay. You want a hand? I don't know if the stand will work. And they're bogged big. Take it home. So they're up to their axles, they're not moving without being dug out. Yeah. Keep going. Woohoo! Right, I'm up next. Does it? Right, here I go. Henry did this, so I've got to try and do it now. Is it at that bottom bit there? Yeah. Yeah, gotcha. Shower from you, Henry. Did you get past, all right? That was bumpy. Just back to the top of that track where those guys were. Yeah, because they were blocking us off. Henry's coming up. One more, is it? Oh, okay. I remember coming up this one. It's pretty steep. You'll be right though. Just check your phone here from here. Oh, I didn't make it. Henry, I'm stuck. Henry, I'm stuck.
Hey.
No, I'm stuck.
Oh, come on. You good?
No, I'm okay, but I need to get the bike off me. I'm okay, Henry, I'm okay, right?
Yeah.
But I can't get out.
Yeah. All good. Come in.
Just park there and wander up. I don't know if I did or didn't. That is me, my bike, the front wheel, on the wrong side of a sand dune. Bit of a petrol smell.
What's right there?
I'll have to dig this out. Let me lift us up. Oh, that's nice up here. Is that alright? Woo. I reckon right. Nice, Gary. Oh,
Oh, yeah. Harmonic balances just spat out the front.
oh. What's that? I don't even know what a harmonic balancer is, but
It's really the big end of the pulley at the bottom.
oh, okay.
And I think it's got a rubber like bearing
Yep.
or seal that gives it a flex,
Yeah, right.
which wears out, and it has. But
Ah,
given the beans coming up here, and we were standing there watching, just heard as it hit the bottom, you heard the clunk,
yeah, right.
and it spat out the bottom. Blah, blah, blah.
Bugger. Does that mean it's not drivable, or?
I don't know. It doesn't. I wouldn't think it's good,
Yeah,
but I don't know.
yeah.
I'm thinking probably. You got there. You can go around that way if you don't want to go straight down, but you boys are into everything you've got, so. Yeah.
Oh no, I went over the handlebars before.
Oh, you alright? Any thumbs or anything?
No.
It's on this really soft sand.
Yeah.
The bike tendon though, it's like a ramp of sand dune.
At the front tire.
It's fairly steep here, but
Oh yeah.
yeah, I mean, so you could go that way.
Yeah. I'll just go around the. I'll go around.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Oh, right.
Like I can see up there, but that's no good. This is a dead end, I reckon.
Yeah, shit spot.
So perhaps go back around there and have a look. Oh, he's saying he's the only way out. Up that hill, yeah. This one. Park a bike and dink back.
We're going to go to time lapse, so do I have to leave you here for freaking hour?
It's supposed to be 30 seconds.
I'll have to reattach it soon.
No, you don't run a winch for more than 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 second break.
Oh.
Run 30 seconds, 30 second break.
Start thinking about trying to get up there.
I don't think we'll go. We're going to go back out this way.
Oh.
Yeah, down the beach. Or yeah,
I know.
back the way we came a bit.
Which is that?
No,
That way, so that
No.
you
beach is over there. That's going out the back top end.
I'm good.
There is that track out there. Perhaps that's how you get to it. Is up there.
Oh, maybe that's where they're going.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not even sure which way's out, to be honest. But I think we've got to go out that way. I think. Straight ahead. All good. Oh, all good except left here. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, right in your wheel. I couldn't get close to you all day. Oh. That seemed a lot shorter when we went down the first time. We were full of energy. Just to the right. Just goes down the lake. Those guys look like parks people.